Using Swiggy gift cards is a simple process that allows you to enjoy food delivery services while redeeming your card balance. Follow these steps to make the most of your Swiggy gift card. Step 1. Log into your Swiggy account. Open the Swiggy app or website and log in using your registered email address or phone number. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, go to the account or profile section. Look for the gift cards or wallet option to access the area where you can manage your gift cards. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. In the gift card section, find the option to redeem a gift card. Enter the unique code found on your gift card and submit it. The balance will be added to your Swiggy wallet. Step 4. Browse and select your order. After redeeming the gift card, browse through the available restaurants and select the items you want to order. Add them to your cart as you normally would. Step 5. Check out and use your balance. Proceed to checkout. When prompted for payment, select the Swiggy wallet option to use your gift card balance. Complete the order and enjoy your meal. Now you're ready to enjoy your food with the help of your Swiggy gift card. Happy ordering!